Hi, welcome back or welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to add a video or an image inside of a text, much like the one you just saw on screen. Now, in order to do this, first you will want to get a text title. You can either just click here or you can click here. You want to get a basic title or a custom title, drag it here, make it as long, go ahead, make this as long as your clip is, make sure it isn't in any way longer than it needs to be. And then once you get that, put in the text that you want. In this case, we're going to put subscribe in as the text. That's fine and dandy. Make sure you change the font to something that is real big so you'll actually be able to see it just fine, so everyone will be able to see it just fine. Expand it real big, drag it down to where exactly you want it to be. I want it to be exactly in the middle, but that's just my own personal preference. And then we are going to click here. Again, if you don't have this open, just click on the inspector here to open it. We're going to click on normal, and then we're going to click stencil alpha. Okay? And then that will make it so if we play this underneath clip we have here, we will see that the video's inside of the text. Now, if you wanted to just export that as it is now, that's perfectly fine. But as you can see, there's a black background. We don't necessarily want that black background. We maybe want another clip or another image under it. So here's what we will do. We will go back to find an image and then just drag this image over here, right? That's the image we want. So we make sure to just drag it, make it the same length as this, but now we have an image above. We don't have any of our text. Well, that's a simple fix as well. We can simply click on blend mode, and for the blend mode, we're going to hit behind. Okay? And now technically it's behind. And of course, if we don't want to, the background to be so prevalent that it goes over everything, we can do tricks like dim the background. Or if we want, we can just get rid of the background altogether and keep this, subscribe in this case thing, which I think looks better. But yeah. That is how you add a video or image in, text. So yeah, if you found it helpful, feel free to subscribe. And with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.